Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert references in Microsoft Word. Right over here you can see I have some dummy text which I have placed just to illustrate how you can insert references in your document using Microsoft Word. Let's say this is the text that you have read in some journal article and you want to cite its source. So what you would do, simply place your cursor where you want your citations to be entered. Go to references and here you can see we have insert citations. Now over here you can see we have two options, add new source and add new placeholder. Let me first click on add new source, and right over here you can see we can choose the type of source, which can be a book section, journal article, and many other sources. Let's suppose I'm going to choose journal article and let's put in the author name. Right over here I have this article and its author name is Source Darwin. Let me copy it and I would simply paste it right over here. As for the title, you can go again to the journal article and this is the title of the paper. Let me copy it as well, and journal name, and you can see it's nanoscale. Let me write the name of the journal. Year, simply enter the year like 2021. You can also enter the page number over here as well. Right over here on the bottom left side you can see we have show all bibliography fields. Just check it, and these stars shows that these are the minimum fields to be entered. Let me enter the page, and rest of the fields are simply optionals. Right over here DARE 21 is just a tag name. Now click on OK, and there you can see in text citation has been inserted. If you want to change it, simply click over it, and this little arrow shows you can edit the citation, edit the source, convert citation to static text, and you can also simply update citations in bibliography. In edit citation, in the pages you can enter the page, and if you are not interested to have author name, year, or title, you can simply check it and it won't be shown in your in-text citations or bibliography. Let me insert one more citations right over here. I'll go again to the insert citations, and right over here you can see the citations that we have entered has appeared right over here. Now you can click on add a new source to add new citations, but let me show you how we can use this other option, add new placeholder. Type the tag name of the source. You can add more information to this source later by clicking edit in the source manager. Let me click on OK, and there you are. Later on you can edit the citations. Let me show you how you can do that. Edit source and simply change it to whatever source you are referencing. Let me choose book this time. Title. After entering the field, click on OK, and there you can see it. After entering the citations, you can go to manage sources. Right over here you can see we have sources available in master list. So these are the master list that we have on our system, and these are the current list that we have right over here in this particular document. You can browse to bring in new sources, keeping in mind that they must be in XML file. If you want, you can simply click on any source and copy it to your current list like this. And similarly, if you want, you can delete any of the source or edit a source or add a new source right from here. And here in this drop down menu you can sort your sources simply by author, tag, title, or year as well. Let me close it. Now let's say you want to insert the bibliography, and that is too simple. Simply go over here and you have these built-in options: bibliography, references, works cited. They are simply the same things with different names, and no problem, you can just click on anyone, as you can later go back to change the references to works cited or bibliography. Let me click on references, and there you go. You can see right over here we have our list of references that we have cited in this particular document. If you want your references to have a different style, then you can simply go right over here and change the style. Let's say I'm gonna click on this IEEE, and there you go. Your reference style has been changed to IEEE. And similarly, the in-text citation has also been changed. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, etc. instead of a name page number that was there in case of APA style. Now let's say if you want to edit your in-text citation right over here, let me insert page number 34. You can come right over here and update citation and bibliography, and the changes that you have made would be reflected right over here as well. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.